Our Kamba friends, I am here for you today. Kindly explain to us how KY becomes Q. For example, Kiadi. Kiadi is Chande. How does KY become Chande or Chumbi? Chumbi, the Chumbi that people know in Machakos is called Chumbi. It is written as Q, KY, Chumbi. Our topic today is not about canvas. It is about how to grow avocados anywhere.
And what you do to avocado tree, you don't plant avocado tree like the other varieties of fruits. And the reason is because you want your avocado to be on a raised ground, not on a all like other varieties of fruits. When it is an all, it attracts a lot of root rot diseases when there's too much water stagnating in it. So that is why many people are losing avocados, because it is planted on a hole. So how to protect it? You dig a hole same size, if it's a loam soil like ours or a clay soil like ours. So what you do is you do a hole of 2 by 2. Then after doing a hole of 2 by 2 by 2, you mix manure and you also mix with the topsoil. Then after that you backfill the whole hole until it is full, and then you mound. Mound is like having a upper part of your avocado raised on from the ground. Position. So you mount it and then you plant your avocado trees. This way your avocado tree will be protected from any root rot diseases, all challenges to do with excess water in the soil. Then next thing is just managing your trees, giving them enough nutrient what they need, if they need, or you need to understand the soil so that you can give all the nutrient, either the major nutrients or the micro and macro and micronutrients, all of them which are needed. You apply them to avocado trees so that it can grow well. What you need to be checking on your avocado trees is the stem. If there's a change in the stem, you need also to check that and control it early before there's any challenges. Okay, so those are things you need to check early enough so that you can manage your avocado trees very well, and so that it can have a good growth stage. Okay. Tukipanda hii same principle, kukata karatasi vizuri. You don't want to disturb the root system. Okay. So naona venye zinakaa. This is the root system coming up very well. But hapa napata mingi zimejicoil. So lazima you disturb. Alafu unakata yenye inakaa G-shaped, unakata ndio zibaki zenye zinakaa straight. Ndio iendelee kuteremka sasa. Okay? Then kwa hii modi yako ndio unakuja chimba tu kashimo.
Bana. Ipi ni taproot?
Ni taproot pia. But now avocado inakuanga mostly affected by root rot. That's why unayekea hizi. In case maji ikuwe mingi, isikuje ipate anything.
We have come to the end of our topic on how to plant avocados so that you don't lose your avocados to root rot or diseases that can affect your avocado because you didn't plant them well in the first place. The first step to starting farming is doing it right. And at J. Kusenga Farm, we encourage farmers to do it right from the word go, so that when it is the tree is 6 years or 5 years, it produces. Not at 6 years, you still don't have fruits in your farm. Now, from J. Kusenga, I hope you have learned something, and you will be learning things. If you feel you have learned something, you can like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend that J. Kusenga is here to help you as a farmer to be better.